Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. Today's class we are going to discuss the usage of like, look like and be like. What are the differences? Like. Like can be used as a verb to talk about taste. As a preposition with look and be to talk about appearance and ask for descriptions. First, we are going to discuss like as a verb. The verb to like is used to talk about taste, what we enjoy or prefer. Example, what sports does Ram like? He likes football. What sort of books does your mother like? She likes historical books. What is your favorite food? I like vegetarian food. Like as a preposition. Look like. Look like is used to ask for and give an opinion about appearance. Example, what does Ram look like? He is tall with brown hair and he wears glasses. Be like. Be like is used to ask for and give a general description. Example, what is Julie like? She is reliable, pleasant and helpful. She is like a friend. So, use like to talk about tastes and preferences. Use look like to describe physical appearance. Use be like to describe a person's character. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.